First of all, I say on behalf of the organizing committee, you are most welcome to present your paper. You have come here and you have a sustainable urban drainage implementation. Tell me something about the new, why you are bring out this paper.
Sure. Myself Balaji.
Okay.
I am a principal civil engineer. Along with me Niyanth, he is design engineer. We work for Mott MacDonald.
Okay.
Today's my presentation is all about the sustainable drainage implementation in highway drainage. Because from last few decades, if you see, we are designing the traditional drainage system, which is completely impervious area, collecting into the gullies and curbs and channels and conveying this stormwater into the, disposing into the water bodies actually. And because of quickly collecting the traditional drainage system and conveying, there is a lot of pollutants it's coming, oil and suspended materials and some minerals, also it will be discharging into the water body. And we are completely destroying the environment by contaminated water discharging into the water body. So to overcome all this one, we are proposing the such drainage solutions, which will be cost effective, environmental friendly, and it is a natural mimic to absorb the water into the ground. So if you see here, this is the natural hydrograph process actually. When it rains, it will be falls onto the ground, where it will be at source control, it will be control the water by absorbing the water into the soil by shallow absorption and percolation. After like filling this one, it will be goes into the side control where the water it will be flows here. Then again here it will be absorbed, some water it will be percolated into the soil and some water it will be absorbed by the plants and trees, and evapotranspiration it may happen. Some water it will be goes into the infiltration. Then it will be over of this flow, it will be, after filling this volume, it will be goes into the regional control where it will be discharging into the water bodies, lakes and all. There the water it will be by naturally it will be treated over here, any contaminated, and clean water it will be mixed into the water bodies actually.
Regional control center, you are treating the water.
Yes. So we will be controlled by control, it will be discharged. This is like SUDS, this is actually natural hydrograph, and this replicate the SUDS as well. So if you see in this picture, in the SUDS, this is natural. When it rains, it will be completely, it will be rain within the natural way. When we developing the cities, completely it will be paved, impermeable layers, it's happening. So there is less chances of water, it will be absorption, and then polluted water, it will be discharged into the lakes and water streams. So instead of in the same development, we can do better way by proposing the SUDS solutions. So wherever it is possible, we made a greenery. So before, if you see here and here, we can make the same development, same requirement as per human being needing. So we developing and then we are making the greenery to allow water to absorb. It will regulates the water body, replicates the natural water absorption process, whereas before it was. There is a less chances of water contamination over here, but it will be controlled here. The main objective of the SUDS is it will be control the water at source itself and treats water, so quality of water it will be discharged, and biodiversity, by giving the water biodiversity, plants and like water, there will be other species, birds, fishes can live together with us, and it will also control the flooding. And because of this is beautiful, people can be see and sit together and spend some quality time. So this is amenity. These are the 4 pillars of the SUDS. And these are the few benefits. It will control the flood, it will control the floods, it will be climate resilience, because whenever any heavy rains comes, it can capture, it can slow down the water. So it will be allows water to percolate ground. So it is recharges the ground cycle, improves the environment, and it is very cost effective. There is no cost involved here. There is no pipe material need to buy. It's all like nature based solution as we see here. But these are the benefits, but we have challenges also, because when you propose any such solution, you need to see the soil condition, whether permeability it is possible or not, or like is there is enough space to provide such solution or not.
Can I interrupt it?
Yes.
You have said that cost effective. It is
yes.
How you have calculated cost effective? How can you say the cost effective? Have you studied the per square meter or per hectare meter? This is the, if we develop this kind of a system, this will be the cost.
Yes.
And in terms of how much it can save and how can
see, almost like any traditional drainage system, it will goes with the gullies, pipe network. You have to dig it, and deep network you have to make it. So I can say if I compare with the traditional drainage system with the sustainable drainage system, almost 60% of the project cost we can reduce it by construction, by maintenance also. You have to do maintenance every season for the traditional drainage system, whereas for the sustainable drainage system, its periodical maintenance is required only. But it is very nature-based solution, so it is very cost-effective. Almost 60% of project cost we can save it by proposing the such solution.
You should also mention in somewhere.
Yeah. Yeah.
Now this point has come to
Exactly.
my discussion. We should also one slide or something. This is the general.
Yeah.
We'll go with the conventional way of this thing, and this will be this concept wise in this.
Yeah, and when it comes to the public awareness, there are a lot of people are not aware like what is such solution. It may be harm for us because a lot of mosquitoes and maybe these open areas, something like. So public awareness also should be needed here. So these are one of the challenges. And then regulation and cost. Most of the regulations, local authorities, they don't know what is search, what is the use of the search. So the awareness of the search is very important. And these are some of the features we propose in the highways. Most of the Indian roadside, we might have seen the swales and ditches, permeable pavements, and detention ponds, basins. These are some of the highway features what we proposed in the highways. And such components are mainly like, these are all swales. These are shallow conveyance system, which allows water to soak into the ground and infiltrate into the ground. Naturally, it will allow water to percolate and slowly it will be transferred. So there is a less risk of flood at the downstream. Similarly, rain garden also, it is the same purpose. It will be the same. Allows water to infiltrate, percolate into the ground and stores sometimes into the rain garden, and slowly it will be discharged into the water bodies. Wherever we have large spaces, large areas, there we can go with the ponds. There are different types of ponds, detention ponds, bioretention ponds. So based on our requirement, based on soil condition, we can propose the ponds. There is a infiltration basins. These are like wherever very large spaces are available, but we are not occupying. So there also we can make a small pond kind of infiltration basin and use it for the large water can be stored and slowly it will be discharged. There, wherever we don't have any large spaces, there we can go with the filter drains. Wherever we have less space, where there is no like small buildings, we can go with the soakaways.
Depending on space
and constraints.
You can model it.
Exactly. And these are the green roof. Very recently we have started using it in our projects, most of the projects. These green roofs actually it will regulate the building temperature. It allows water to retain in the top of the building, and it will allows heat absorption because of the greenery and water. These are the green roofs advantages, and these are the wetlands. Wherever the large water bodies are there we can just leave it as it is by maintaining the water bodies as wetlands. And there are cellular storage where we don't have any spaces, where we can propose the large parking areas within the road area. There we can do the cellular storage. There large quantity of water can be stored. These are the permeable pavements. Again, both are same pattern actually, both ways same used. So based on this all solution, we proposed in one project that we taken as a case study. Yeah. So this is a single carriageway. Because of public safety and demand, we need to.
You have carried out this
UK project actually.
Which area?
It's nearby. It's in Scotland and UK. Because of data security, we should not tell the project name. But it's
but area you can tell.
Yeah. It's a nearby border between Scotland and UK.
Scotland is almost hilly area. It's very difficult to get the plain area. Mostly hilly, only Scotland.
Yes.
But so where is UK towards London? You want to say?
No, it's in north of UK, Scotland and.
North. Okay, then either Scotland and Ireland.
Ireland is separate country. It is not attached with the.
No, northern part of the island is a part of UK.
Exactly.
That is called United Kingdom.
Yes, exactly.
So you have carried out border of the Scotland and other things.
Yes. Here we used completely such solution. Completely, we did not use any traditional
Who are doing there?
It's National Highway. They are the client. We are the designers for that project. So we.
Anybody can just see there. If you go bypass all these areas, you can see that this work is going on.
Exactly. Yeah. After implementation of this project, they can see. So because there are different clients or stakeholders got involved in this project. Basically, client is National Highway. There are contractors. Contractors. We are the designers. So we will be designing, and contractor he will be implementing it and approving by the National Highways.
How much will it take time to complete the project?
It may be within 3 years.
Within 3 years. You have just started.
We done the detailed design for this project. Just started detailed design.
So I cannot see it.
I
cannot see.
No, we cannot see now. But we are just as part of our design, we are convincing.
Why I ask you, I am going there. That's why I ask you where area, which area. I can go and physically I can see the things.
Definitely, sir. But
this one we have proposed. These are the circle. We have used the filter drains. These are all the filter drains.
These are the filter drains.
Same concept.
Yeah.
And this is the vegetability, the green ones. And we have also used the retention part to contain the extra amount of volume because of this wide area.
Very good.
Then actually this project criticality is it has 0.5 hectare only, but which is discharging around 34.9 liters from the existing road. From the green road, they are going to expand it another lane, so the green area it will be disturbed. From the complete green area, it is 3.8 hectares, the complete area. Existing carriageway is 0.5 hectares. The complete catchment area is 4.3 hectares. From all this one, as per existing condition, it is 68.74 liter per second. It is discharging.
Okay, this is concept. Okay,
yeah.
One thing you tell me.
Yeah.
You are stationed in India.
Yes.
And you are carrying out the study for the UK.
Yes, sir.
How? Why?
So it's been
a lot of opportunity there. Why you have not carried out the study here?
That's what we are saying. We can carry out this in India. That's what we are saying. We are trying to put that. These are the conventional drainage system we are using in India,
so
and this is the system we can use in India.
Then you should choose the same environment or same area and terrain, whatever the Scotland, whatever you have chosen.
Yeah.
The same area in India. Only then you can. You are studying somewhere else, just like Switzerland. You are studying, and you want to implement that kind of thing in India. How is it possible?
It is possible. We will be studying the geological. Not only the search depends on the site and about the situation. So if you got the different, for example, if you don't have any permeable soil, we can use any of the drainage solution. We have to think which such solution fits our.
My question is very simple. Okay, the same kind of model, we can hear a lot of much more better locations available, much more rough, favorable conditions are there in India.
Yes, yes.
Why you have not, being a station in India, you should have carried out the study for the India inside any state.
To be honest,
then it will be much more beneficial and it has a commercial value than rather than study in a foreign country and then you present the model that okay, this we have carried out in UK and this we want to do in India. How I can accept it? Suppose I want to buy this thing. So how can I accept
because
it?
This is a general study. It's not.
This is general study.
This is a general study. We can apply anywhere.
Let me put Franks here, sir. Let me put Franks here. We are a design consultancy. We work for the UK. We do Indian projects very limited because our business with the Indian team, Indian side, it is not muchly grown.
Okay.
Because of
I got it. Now you want to develop the business
in India as
well. India. That's okay.
So this is the highway project. This is what actually, if without search, it is 214.7 liter per second. With search, we completely retain within the site. We treated the water naturally. The quality of water, it will be restored and reused for other purpose. The groundwater also get recharged. The climate resilience, these systems are.
And this data you have derived from the study of this area?
Exactly.
And these are the concepts. These are the
concepts.
And among these, which concept you are using it here? This kind of?
Yeah. See here, filter drains we use, sir, here. Yeah. Vegetated ditches, which is this one, sir. And then detention pond, which is this one, sir. These three we proposed in this one. As you can see, this is this detention swales. These are the filter drains. This is the pond which we used.
That's correct. I know that terrain of that UK. I know very well.
Hope you will see in this.
Yeah, that's why I ask you which areas. You tell me. I am going. So I know the terrain very well. Okay, thank you very much for giving the presentation. Very nice presentation.